today I'll be doing a Thanksgiving inspired get ready with me video. So if you're extra like I am and you like to walk around the kitchen on Thanksgiving Day looking cute, then keep watching. Or if you're looking for some fall inspiration, keep watching as well. I'll be showing you 3 different outfits and how I got this look. If you aren't already subscribed, please do so, like, and leave a comment below and let me know how you like this video. Okay, let's get into the video.
Okay, so I start by priming my face with my matte primer by MAC, and then I go in with a dark brown eyebrow pencil and I begin to fill in my brows, and I stick with the natural shape of my brows while I'm doing this. After that, I take a gel eyebrow dipping thing, which is made by e.l.f. It's a duo that I have, and following along the same pattern that I used with the pencil, I go in and just darken up the eyebrows a little bit more. And then for my final touches, I take the powder in that set and then brush my eyebrows on out. Next thing I do is outline my eyebrows to help clean them up and make them look a little bit sharper with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then I'll take my beauty blender and I'll blend that on out, and that's just me patting over and over again. Now to the fun part, which is the eyeshadow. I'm using the color Mousse from the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette, and I am blending that into my crease. Next, I take the color Midnight and I blend that a little bit lower than the previous color into my crease just to help darken up the look a little bit. And I do that on the other side as well. Next, we get to our fun color, which is the shimmery color called Tiffany. It is gorgeous. And I'm just going to pat that into the lid. And you see, I just pat until I get it, you know, as dark and as bold as I'd like for it to be. Once that's complete, I go back in with that Midnight shade again and just blend that into that shimmery color on my eyelid so there's a little bit more of a transition. Okay, so next I take my Epic Ink eyeliner by NYX and I begin by lining from the middle of my eye, working out to the edge, and then working my way further in. And I'm just going to zoom through eyeliner because I am no eyeliner expert and I might just lead you astray. So do you, boo. Then I just take a little pencil eyeliner and do the bottom of my eyes. Now to the foundation. So I use the MAC Match Master SPF foundation. And then I put those little dots all over my face and then I begin to blend that in with my beauty blender. And I decided I wanted a little more coverage, so I went in with a few more dots, and same thing, just pressing that in, blending that in all around my skin and trying to get around that chin area as well. Okay, so then I take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Medium Beige, which is too light for me, and I make these little triangles and blend that out underneath my eye and blend. Then I'll take Makeup Revolution setting powder in the color Terracotta and I begin to set where I put the concealer, dabbing that in underneath my eyes, and then I even add a little bit to my forehead area. I typically don't do the chin. I know a lot of people do, but yeah, I don't. So then the fun part, this new palette I bought by Juvia's Palace, it's called the Saharan Blush Palette. So I take that and I use the darkest color in there called Abby, and I use that to contour, and girl, it's pigmented, so take it easy, don't go in like I did, okay? Otherwise you'll have a whole lot of blending to do. Okay, so once that's done, I go back with that setting powder and just cut that underneath the contour just to have a little more precision, okay? And I do not let that powder sit on my face too long, maybe like 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will brush it all away. Okay, so I'm going to apply my Kiss Wispy Lashes, but first I put on a little bit of mascara. And then once I have my eyelash glue applied, I take that eyelash and I sit it in the middle of my lash line. And then I grab the inner edge and stick it on. And then I grab the outer edge and stick it on. And once that's done, I then, push my lash and then the false lash together so that they blend. And my camera cut out, so we're gonna have to move past this. Sorry. So for blush, I take the color Neo, which is like that dark red color, and once again, made the same mistake. Did too much, so I had to go back with a little bit of my powder foundation to lessen that up a little bit. And now to highlight from my It's My Ray Ray palette, I take this color French Toast, which is kind of a bronzy looking color. Thanksgiving, you don't want to shine on them too hard. They are your people. You don't want to kill them at the dinner table. Take my Fix Plus and set my face. Okay, so now to this hair. So I start by putting a little oil around my edges because I find that my edge control really dries my hair out. And then I take my edge control and, I slick my hair back out of the way because we're going to be applying a wig and we don't want my hair popping through that at all. So once that's done, I take my wig cap and I place that around my head. Get that secured, and then it's time to put on my unit. This unit is made by my best friend. I'll link her information below, but she's incredible. She has great hair, based out of Houston, so yes, talk to her. I decided I wanted to wear it straight. This is actually straight hair that stayed curled from like 3 weeks ago, so I finally decided I want to go back to straight, so I am flat ironing it. And boop boop, we are done. So now let us secure this hair, baby. So I put the Got To Be glued around the perimeter of my hair and dry it. And once it's dry enough, I lift and put that lace on top of that and a little bit in front of where the glue actually is. And then I just pull it tight against my head to kind of stick it on there. Once I'm good with that, I take that same Got To Be gel and work on my baby hairs. And I already pre-cut the baby hairs, so there's already little short hairs on there. Dry that up with my blow dryer. Use my wand to flatten it out a bit. I just wanted it to be a little bit more straight, a little bit more realistic. Okay, so you don't have to do this. You can stick with the gloss plain lips, but I'm giving you fall vibes. So I took my brown lip liner and lined my lips. And then I took this cream color called Downtown Beauty by NYX, and I applied that and I just worked that in. And here we are, we're ready to go. So let's get to these outfits, honey. Okay, first up, I have a simple burgundy fitted dress with my long leather boots. If you're looking for a little more pizzazz, boom, put a little fur vest on it. Or if you want to go with a more casual vibe, right, you take your size t-shirt, jeans, off the shoulder, showing your sneakers, take your cash. Or if you want to be the bad and bougie auntie, get you a jacket, some fur around the collar, match it with some leggings and your booties, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this Thanksgiving Fall Edition Get Ready with me, MissMillahhh, out!
Hello, it's MissMillahhh here, and today we'll be doing a thing. Who's we? It's just me.
Applying this on the lid and then blend it. So this is